Good day, everybody. So yeah, it's been a week now since we've been at the cardiologist that we got the good news that it looks like everything's improving. So the last week has been interesting. It's amazing how much a good diagnosis or good news changes how it changes your point of view. I think I went from somebody, even though it wasn't that bad according to me, that was dying almost, not dying, but not very healthy, to somebody that is actually getting better. And I think that alone makes a big difference on your outlook. And I thought I had a good outlook before that, but I feel a lot better. We've doubled up on some medicine, so we've made some of it more, and that's making me tired. And I feel told Anina the other day that if I stand up from a chair or from the bed or wherever, then all my check engine lights come on. Yeah, I need to stand still for like 30 seconds just to get my bearings, otherwise I'm going to fall over. But it's okay. I can at least start exercising again and do things like that. So hopefully I can soon go and climb on a top rope again. I really miss that. Okay, so what's been happening these past few months? Okay, coming into this whole thing, after we came back from our mission trips in Africa, we came back, and then it was COVID, and struggled to get work and all of that. So we never got our medical aid sorted out, and we were in the process of sorting it out end of last year, and then it just took some time because we were looking for the right one and all sorts of things. And then this happened. So all of this happened without us being on medical aid. And now, obviously, me having this condition and being on medical aid now, everything is excluded for the next 12 months. So all the medication, all the cardiologists, all the scans and everything is coming out of pocket, which is kind of rough if you take into consideration that Anina started a new business in the beginning of January, and it's not really showing a profit at the moment. So we're all just depending on my salary at the moment. Luckily, we had some plans that we could make to pay it up to now, but the problem is now it's starting to eat away on the little bit of savings that we've got left. Just to give you an idea, a cardiologist appointment is well over 10,000 Rand. My medication per month works out to about 6,000 Rand. So there's a lot of costs, and now we are also paying for the medical aid that we can't use, which is also about 10,000 Rand for all 5 of us. So there's a lot of costs that we never had in our budget, which we suddenly need to cover. So yeah, we started a BackaBuddy campaign, and the idea of the BackaBuddy campaign is to obviously help us with my medical expenses for at the moment. But I have floated the idea around that maybe we could start a foundation to help people that's in exactly the same position that I am, to maybe fund them. There would be certain criteria involved in that, but that we will sort out later. At the moment, I'm just worried about me being able to pay for my medication. So have a look at it. My whole story is on there, and yeah, if you feel that you maybe want to contribute 100 Rand or something, then we will be glad. Anything helps at the moment. And I am doing well. I'm feeling much better, and I'm positive at the moment. I think it's a good thing that's happening. Okay, have a great evening.